lesson. That is lesson number 1, a tiger in the house. In the previous class, we discussed about the half of the lesson. So, today shall I continue the remaining lesson? We will continue the lesson now. I told you Timothy was a cub of a tiger. Its name was Timothy. One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him, and so when I came to live with the grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. Okay, here who I means who? Who is I here? Children, any guesses? The boy is telling this story. One of Timothy's favorite amusement. Amusement means favorite. Okay, favorite was to stalk anyone who would play with him, and so when a boy came to live with the grandfather, the boy came to the grandfather's house and he would play with him, and he became a favorite to the tiger. He became favorite of tigers. Okay, children, here amusement means something that you enjoy, that is called amusement. Here the Timothy was used to play with that boy, so that is called amusement. Okay, next, with a crafty look in his glittering eyes, and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite my ankles. Here he is describing about the Timothy, that tiger cub. He is very friendly to him because the Timothy was very little. No, he used to play with that boy. He used to make a dash for my feet. He used to give a dash to the boy feet and rolling over on his back, like how the puppy will do. You might have seen in your houses. Like that he used to do, pretending to bite my ankles. Ankles means feet. Okay, joint. He is pretending to bite my ankles. He was by this time the size of a full-grown retriever. He was by this time the size of full-grown retriever. Here retriever means middle-sized hunting dog. Retriever. New words. Children's. Retriever means middle-sized, middle-sized hunting dog. Okay, a middle-sized hunting dog. Next, what happens when I took him out for walks? People on the road would give us wide berth. Here, you might have seen usually people whose pet is dog or puppy, he used to take that for a walk. Isn't it morning or evening? Like that, this boy took that Timothy out for a walk. That time people on the road used to take a wide berth. Means maintain a distance, maintaining a long distance, safe distance. Here, wide berth. Wide berth. Maintain safe distance. That is called as a maintain safe distance. Stay at a safe distance. That is called wide berth. Okay. The people used to scare off that Timothy. When he pulled hard on his chain Timothy was tied up by the chain. The boy used to hold that chain and he went to out by taking that Timothy. That time the people on the road was scared by seeing that tiger on the road. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room. His favorite place. Here his means Timothy. Timothy's favorite place in the home was drawing room. And he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa. He used to make comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with a great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. He used to rest on the long sofa. Next, what happens? Timothy had clean habits. Usually you have some habits, no? Daily routine. You use you brush your teeth 2 times, isn't it? And you take a bath, wearing clean clothes. These are the some clean habits. Like that, Timothy is also having some habits, clean habits, and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. You might have seen that how the cat will do, isn't it? He used its paws to scrub its face like that. This Timothy was scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. He slept at a night in the cook's quarters. Means Timothy used to sleep in the cook's quarters whole night and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. Being let out by him in the morning means morning habits. We will do now every day. So for that, Timothy is like this. The Timothy was having the clean habits. The Timothy was very clean, isn't it? By seeing this habit, we can guess it how the Timothy was. It's a very clean and neat. Next, what happens? One of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. One of these days means some days later, what happens? The grandmother was declared. What did she declare? In her prophetic manner. What is prophetic? What is prophetic? What do you mean by prophetic? Prophetic. What do you mean? Here, prophetic means sayings, future sayings. Okay, future saying we called as a prophetic means manner of saying things in advance, future. The grandmother used to tell future in advance. That is called as the prophetic manner. We are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. Okay, means I told you in the previous paragraph they had given that Timothy used to sleep in the cook's quarters. Okay, the cook name was Muhammad. One day the grandmother and all the family members found that Timothy on the Muhammad's bed except his clothes and shoes. Except his clothes and shoes means in that room or in that place only the shoes and clothes are remaining. There is no sign of Muhammad, means there is no sign of cook. Next, of course, it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. Okay, till now the Timothy was a little cub. Okay, day by day the Timothy was grown up. Now it's a 6 months old. The Timothy was 6 months old. It will get a little bit change over by himself, isn't it? Like that, how you grow by yourself, you can recognize your changes. Means you will become a tall, isn't it? Or day by day you will go short, no? No, not like that. Day by day you will grow, isn't it? Some changes will happen in your body. Like that, the Timothy was grown up. Now it's 6 months old. Some changes came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. In earlier days, the Timothy was very friendly. He used to play with the toys. He used to play with that boy. He used to sleep on the sofa. Like it's like a puppy, one type of. That much was friendly. But day by day, it became very steadily. Means very strong. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet Pekingese. Means daily he used to take that Timothy to out for a walk. But now the Timothy became 6 months old. So he used to stalk for a cat or Pekingese. Pekingese means pet animals. We called as a Pekingese. Steal away means ಸ್ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೆದರ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂಥರ ಲುಕ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲುಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೆದರ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house. Sometimes. Next, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. There is a feathers lying all over veranda. Timothy had to be chained up more often and friendly when he began to stalk Muhammad about the house with what looked like villainous intent. Grandfather decided it was time to transfer him into a zoo. Children, you remember, anybody can keep the tiger in the home. It is safe? No, we can't keep the tiger in the house. It's very dangerous. So now that grandfather was decided to send or transfer him to a zoo, isn't it? Next, the nearest zoo was at Lucknow. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away. The Lucknow was 200 miles away from that house. Reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with him. Means the grandfather reserved a separate compartment in the train for the Timothy. There is no one who would share a compartment with them. Only separate compartment, reserving compartment. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. When they went to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were very glad, means they were very happy to receive as a gift of well and civilized tiger. This tiger was very well civilized, means it is having a clean habit, isn't it? A cleanly habit. I told you what are those habits. I told you in the just before, isn't it? Next, about 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. Once they left the Timothy in the zoo and came back to the house. After 6 months later, they again went to see the Timothy, how he is. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. Means I was not there to accompany him. Here I means that boy was not there with that grandfather and grandmother. They're coming back. That boy was heard that in Dehra. Their house was in Dehra. Next, arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. Means when the grandfather is enter into the zoo, the grandfather directly went to the Timothy's cage. You might have seen how the zoo was. You can imagine. I hope you all have seen the zoo. In Mysore there is a big zoo. In particular animals, different types of animals and various types of animals, so many animals were there in that zoo. Like that, the grandfather went to straight, directly he went to the Timothy's cage. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full ground and with the magnificent striped coat. Now, that tiger was became a old. He grown up little bit and black striped coat. You know, no, there is a black and yellow stripes on that tiger body. Like that it looks, and that tiger was standing near the corner in the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. You can see in that picture, see here. There is a picture on page number 4. He is the grandfather and there is a tiger in the cage. He used to put his hands, both hands on the tiger's head. The tiger is allowed grandfather to put his hands on that head. Next, grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ear. Tickled his ear means tickling. Like this, your teacher or your mother will tickle your ears, no? Like that, the grandfather tickled the tiger's ear. Next, whenever he growled and smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. Earlier, how the Timothy used to do, like that, this tiger also did with that grandfather. Next, he licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Means he was licking the grandfather's hands. Beside that, there is another cage. In that, leopard was there. Okay, childrens. Next, and the tiger returned to lick his hands, but every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars and the tiger would link back to his corner. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. See here, there is a keeper in the zoo by take care of that animals. So with that interaction between the tiger and the grandfather, by seeing the keeper came to that cage and pushed his way through the crowd. I am talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Were not you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? The father asked to that keeper that, were not you here when I gave him into the zoo? Means here the father is trying to tell that I only gave this tiger 6 months before. Like that he said, I have not been here very long. I have not been here very long, the keeper replied. And the surprised keeper, please continue your conversation, but I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad tempered. The keeper is telling that I have not been here very long, said his surprised keeper. Please, you continue your conversation. He said to grandfather, you continue your conversation between you and tiger, but I have never been able to touch him by myself. I can't touch him because he is very tempered. He is very bad. The keeper was complained about that tiger. Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. Grandfather suggested that you put him somewhere. Why don't you put him somewhere else? The leopard keeps frightening him. I will go and see the superintendent about it. The grandfather went to that zoo higher officer. Okay, children. Till now you read this lesson. We'll continue in the next class. See you.